So let's look at delete. So let's delete a product. Say app dot delete. Then we have our path, which is product forward slash delete forward slash the params ID. So we want to delete a specific ID. Then we are going to have um our handler. So our handler is going to have what is called rec first. Rec, then we have what is called res. So request and respond. Then we are going to have what is called async. Then then after the async, we will have um first thing we need to do is to first of all get our ID, which is ID final ID is equal to rec.params. Then we're going to have our what is it called? We're going to have our ID in it. So after the ID, what we need to do is to first of all get the data, expected data. So we're going to say if once you have what's called final data is equal to list of products dot where or none, first where or none, first where products products. So I'm going to have the return value like this as a function. Okay, where the product that I just checked now, according to the ID, is actually equal to the ID. According to the ID, like this, is actually equal to ID that I just get. Going to be int dot pass. Then I have that's an ID. So I will have if data is equal to not none. If it is not none, it's not. If it does remove where, or you can just say remove self because already we have data already here. If it is not none, we have data already. I'm going to remove the data. So else, so like I'm going to say now if it's remove data, I'm going to respond back to the user. I'm going to say res dot yeah. So the first one is going to be message or status, sorry, status will be true. Then we have what's called MSG, then which is the message. Then we are going to have what is it called? I'm going to have what's called product deleted. Product deleted. So now if it is actually not true, I'm going to say product not found. Not found. But now if it is not found, I need to tell you that oh, this is actually status. 404 means that it is not found. So the status is 404. So it's good to be using correct status. So I will also send a link to the where you can learn it. Okay. So then what we need to do, let's just try to delete it. We come like and clone this, create what's called a delete. Then you put one there, you switch this to delete like this and send the request. They're not found because the one is not there. Let me send it. One is there. Why is it not found? Let me check why it's saying not found then. Let's come back. Uh is not found of this that we respond there. It is not found that is coming from here. It's because we don't have forward slash here. That's why we have that not found. And there is not two dots, it's two dots. So that's what we should like ensure that we this forward slash and it's two dots and then the ID. So I need to come back here and send it. Okay, it's connected, still booting, still booting. So we can now say that here we say true product. Now, can I say this not found, return the response back to us. So not found of this, return the response back to us. But the other one that is not found, like the URL is not found. But this one, data is not found. But that's that we can, and that's what we write our deletes, and that's what deletes this thing is all about. So we're going to look at middleware and see how the work actually we're going to make use of middleware in this our routes.